After getting up to 50 today in Rockford, those milder temperatures are now a thing of the past as cooler air continues to pour on down. Gusty winds helping to drag down those temperatures up to perhaps 55, maybe 60 miles an hour overnight tonight into the especially first part of the day tomorrow. Sharply colder air, and along with that colder air, we're seeing snow showers and flurries through the early part of the day tomorrow. I mean, compared to where we were just several hours ago, feels like a world's difference outside. 20s and 30s with powerful winds, making it feel more like the teens, and those wind chills could drop as low as the single digits to perhaps close to zero by early tomorrow morning. Here is this powerful storm wound up. Severe weather off towards our south. There were tornado warnings over southern parts of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, blizzard warnings over Minnesota and Iowa. And while we're not going to see necessarily blizzard conditions for a short period of time, it may look like that overnight tonight with the strong winds and the passing snow showers, which will have the best focus off towards the north and west, hence the winter weather advisory in those spots. Perhaps a place like Galena and Stockton get a little bit more snow. Snow should be out of here by early tomorrow, but watch for blowing and drifting snow where any snow accumulates, because those winds will continue to stay strong and very cold for the day tomorrow. Highs are struggling to get out of the teens. Wind chills are in the single digits to close to zero. Another cold night tomorrow night, but then Tuesday doesn't look as harsh with less in the way of wind around. So tomorrow is going to check in about 10 degrees below average after we were some 20 degrees above average today. Again, wind advisories in place through 3 p.m. tomorrow for gusts up to 55 miles an hour. And you could see right through the afternoon, keeping those winds very elevated. Then the second half of the afternoon, we'll really start to see them relax. So tomorrow night, winds pull back to more so 20 to 25 miles an hour as opposed to up to 55 miles an hour through the overnight period. Winter weather advisories for our north and western counties where there's a better chance of some accumulating snow. Obviously, our data is not outputting the snow. It's not going to be 0 inches, more so 1 to perhaps up to 2 inches, especially off towards the north and west. So most spots at least get a coating of snow overnight tonight, with higher amounts if you go off towards the north and west of Rockford. As we head towards New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, I'm optimistic, cautiously optimistic, that we will be dry. If anything, maybe a few lingering snow showers on Wednesday, but very cold. Ball drop time dropping through the teens and ending the night by right around 5 degrees. 15 degrees tonight, up to maybe 2 to 3 inches off towards the north and west of snow. Gusty winds make it feel very chilly through the day tomorrow. We do moderate a bit throughout the week, but staying, again, much cooler, 20s and teens for the next 7 days.